Enclosed areas are often breeding grounds for airborne microorganisms that can cause harmful infections and also create rancid odours. Traditional cleaning solutions and masking agents don't always give the best results to maintain good hygiene standards. That's why you need AIRsteril. At AIRsteril, we offer a wide range of innovative air purification products for rapid disinfection and odour control. These products are available in various sizes to suit your space and needs. Our technology works to completely destroy viruses and fungi from the air and any exposed surfaces, utilising UV and Ozone technology, killing 98.11% of bacteria in just an hour. The best part is all our products are filter-free, which reduces the use of chemicals while making them extremely cost-effective and easy to maintain. AIRsteril products are lightweight and mobile and can be used for various industries, such as nursing homes where our MP100 can be hired for rapid decontamination, washroom facilities at schools that generally are unhygienic, gyms that often need to be sanitised, bedrooms where you can simply plug it into a PowerPoint or move them, or even vehicles. Disinfection done the right way. AIRsteril. Visit our website and request a free meeting with our experts via Zoom today.